Just as you said, we're building TrueBit to be the first user-owned data marketplace built on Bitcoin. And this is really for where brands and consumers can engage with one another more authentically by way of TrueBit's NFTs. And our main thesis is that the transition from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 will see a shift from a paradigm where brands are advertising at consumers to one where brands are building communities with them. And so for us, the NFT is a primitive. This will facilitate these new types of value exchange, and we're already seeing examples of that you could see with Nike and Starbucks recently, and how they're going to kind of have these interoperable NFTs. But really, what does all that mean? And I can unpack that a bit. But mostly for consumers, on the consumer side of our platform, TrueBit will enable them, an individual, to create their very own personalized NFT that serves to codify property rights of their Web 2.0 data. And they can put that data into their TrueBit NFT, and then onward, this NFT can enable personalized experiences on Web 3.0 platforms. And what's really cool is that this comes with the added ability, as mentioned, that you can monetize this data that's attached to your NFT in exchange for stacking sats. And so users will be able to receive and redeem NFTs offered by brands as well on the TrueBit platform. And this furthermore becomes a novel way, again, for people to stack sats, as you can get paid for your attention or for actually engaging or redeeming these NFTs. But brands are paying to reach a target audience daily already. And instead of that payment going to big tech, and all these intermediaries, like ad tech, martech, and these middlemen, it's primarily going to go to the NFT owner as a payment in Bitcoin. And so users will have an easy way to earn passive income from their NFT for something that they already have, which is their data. And so, all this will be codified and, programmatically secured by, Stacks ecosystem or Stacks, blockchain and the Clarity smart contracts. And then on the flip side, for brands, we're offering exciting new ways for them to engage with consumers and building their own branded communities, meaning that they can actually, go and create and publish their very own NFTs that will be made available to consumers on the TrueBit platform and marketplace. And these NFTs, again, can represent, digital goods, coupons, experiences, exclusive access to maybe digital or physical spaces, tokenized loyalty programs, anything else that a brand can, think of and dream of in the future. And to kind of close it out, the great thing about this is that brands, again, are cutting out the middleman and getting deeper connections with existing customers and, could be new customers based on the underlying data that, these NFT owners have connected to their TrueBit NFT, which is literally built on the very first party data that Google, Facebook, Instagram, and all these walled gardens have concealed, over the past decade. And, I'll kind of stop there and can gladly dig into any of these points, as I'm sure there will be questions.
Awesome. That's super helpful. So I think the first question that I have is, are you thinking of the NFT as almost like a license to the data, and the license is basically represented as the NFT?
Yep, that's a great way of putting it. Basically like the least access to your NFT for, potentially multiple, DApps services, buyers of data, to essentially consume your NFT. And we're actually, kind of stepping into something new here as we're extending the use case of what NFTs are. But yeah, I think that's a great way to kind of summarize it or an analogy.